Welcome to LMC Live for Monday, October 2nd, 2023. This stream right now isn't the actual stream we are going to install OS 2.1 on. Technical problem, but here we are. I have the the PCAT fired up. We're going to reboot into OS 2 1.2, and then we're going to install this giant box, this Microsoft Excel for OS 2. I did do a video a while back, which I will link later on, that did the unboxing of everything that's in here. And the media set for this includes two high density discs for Excel for OS 2, and then there was four 720K discs for this version of Microsoft Excel for OS 2. We are going to use the higher density discs, the 5 1/4 inch 1.2 meg discs. As best we can. The other thing that we're going to try out, want to make sure I have the disk in the drive correctly. Pretty sure I do. And we did finally replace the screen. This is a 24-inch ultra sharp. Like I say, legacy connectors, VGA, DVI, S-Video, component, and RCA. After we do install this, we're going to attempt an installation, and I'm pretty sure I know what the installer is going to tell me. It's going to tell me no thanks, no friends here, but try it anyway. Okay, the next disk. Yes, let's add it to a Start Programs group. And we're going to call this Microsoft. We're not going to install any print drivers. Wow, didn't realize it was a command prompt only version of Excel, really. Wow. Only using 11 KB and the math code processor is present. Let's open up the demo spreadsheet that they include. Annual summary, not a very big spreadsheet, but very well. I'm going to exit out now. Let's see what happens if we try to open up the spreadsheet by itself. Okay, there's no file association, which is okay, I guess. Alright. So that was, I think, about probably the fastest graphical program installation in a long time for me. Excuse me. So now that the Excel is installed on OS2, we're going to do the next thing that we're going to try, and I think it's probably going to fail, but I want to see what the file manager says about it. We're trying to install the first version of Microsoft Access. Just broke the seal. Of course, 5¼ inch discs, high density media. Get disk 1 in there, and we're going to go back to File Manager. And see what happens when we try to run setup. No, it doesn't like it at all. Well, it's what I expected. And we've got our new program group. Text. Icon, okay. Huh. Wonder if it's in Desktop Manager. Looking for the shutdown command. So I guess now is a little bit, was a good time to talk about some channel housekeeping. Really enjoy doing these videos when the time permits and having the hardware or software to do the videos with. in this room right now that we're recording this, I still have quite a bit of software from Computer Reset that we haven't unwrapped. For example, there's the PC storyboard, which I guess we've been told is the precursor to Excel. Sorry, the precursor to PowerPoint. And we also have a Holidays graphics pack to look at. One of the things that I always wanted the channel to be was to be viewer driven, which meant that depending on the things that I had to show on the channel, to let you drive the channel and to see what we did next. So that's why commenting in the comments for the particular videos or on the YouTube channel itself was always paramount, so that I would know what you want to watch when it comes into the realm of vintage media and computers. The other thing is, if you do enjoy this kind of content, if you have software or hardware that you don't want to keep anymore of this era of time, 1980s, really early 1990s, and you might want to consider donating it to the channel. We've never really done a big unwrapping before, other than the Computer Reset videos. And if you don't have anything, but you'd like to see the channel eventually grow to much bigger than it is, consider becoming a patron on Patreon. And you'll find all the links in the video comment box down below. Very much appreciate that you're watching and have watched up to this point. Have a great rest of your day or night, and hope to see you in the next video.